These poor onions, I wouldn't normally pull them now, but these are kind of ready. That's just sitting on the top, and see how flimsy that is. Those are ready to pull, and we're getting ready to get quite a bit of rain, so I want to go ahead and get them out of the ground so they don't rot. And these aren't very deep, so I'll just kind of loosen up the soil right there and pull it up. And that's a little bitty baby. Those still look like they're okay. We'll leave them a little while longer. Alright, we'll walk around to the other side. See what we got. Looks like my marigolds are trying to take over. I have to trim those back. That one's still going strong. That one's okay. That one's okay. That one I can just lift out of the ground. Looks like I've got a few cucumbers in there that I can pick before the storms set in. These are red onions. They're still okay. They're not flopping at the right above the bulb. That's where it's like if it makes almost a 90-degree angle there, it's pretty much done. I try to wait till at least some of the leaves are brown, but like I said, we're expecting to get quite a bit of rain this evening and the rest of the week, so I'm just being a little proactive. Now, we look at these, and then yeah, still nice and sturdy there above the. And I trimmed those marigolds and just kind of threw them in there, hoping that they still might deter some pests. These are probably ready. We'll just go ahead and pull those. These, look how big these are. And they're still going strong. That one is huge. There's my hand. And I'm really liking the micro clover in my beds this year. Oh wow, that one over there looks big too. Oh, my poor cucumbers. Those over there are doing fine. I don't know what's going on with these. Maybe they need some shade. Don't have very many onions in here, but I can pull up the ones that are ready. That needs some support. See how that one is just like bent over right there? It's still green, starting to brown a little bit on the ends, but it'll be fine. Little bitties. They still eat. I touched them. Holy basil. Those things they smell so good. Oh, there they are blooming. There. I've had a request for a tincture. I just haven't got around to doing it yet. Right now, probably not the best time. Oh, there's more. And I've got to tie this down or it's going to blow away.
Alright guys, I'm showing y'all the fourth bedroom. This is the overflow pantry. This is where we put stuff that all the buildings are full, the pantry's full. This is where it goes. What we're doing here, we've got a rack, and we're going to dry our onions. So you want your onions in a cool, shaded area with good airflow. Well, that box fan is going to put out good airflow. It's shaded. It's on the north side of the house, and we've got the vent closed in here, so it doesn't get crazy hot, but it gets warm. Show you what we do here. It's simple. You just take your onion. You don't wash an onion. When you pull them, you do not wash them. See that neck? That's what she was telling y'all about. And that's squishy. That onion, that's ready to go into storage. So, she's got that rack full. We'll shove it through this little hole right here. Pull it at the bottom. There you go. Turn this fan off so maybe y'all can hear me. And let's turn this fan off so y'all can hear me. So I don't have to yell. You can break some of these leaves off. Get them started. And pull them through. All you need is good airflow. I'll move these shelves tomorrow. You don't have to have anything fancy. Make do with what you have. And if you have time, make it work. Don't force it. Enjoy what you're doing. We enjoy growing all this stuff. We enjoy preserving it. And we enjoy eating it. So just a couple tonight. I'll have to pick some more tomorrow, but as you can see, I mean, that's all you gotta do. You'll do garlic the same way. We'll probably braid our garlic. We like to braid it because we think it's cool. I don't know if it helps. I don't believe it does. But we braid it, then we can put it in the kitchen and it looks nice. And when you need one, you just snap it off and you use it. All right. That's how we do our onions. Thanks for watching.